Good afternoon, everyone. Professor J.P. Saini, Vice Chancellor NSUT, Director East Campus, Professor Prerna Gaur, Professor Asha Rani, Coordinator, all deans, officers, and new members of the faculty. I welcome you all on the valedictory of the induction program, which spanned over 2 weeks with experts from different departments giving a lecture on the various activities of NSUT and familiarizing the new faculty with it. During the course of this induction program, the newly recruited faculty members were acquainted with the activities of DSW section, academic section, store and purchase section, training and placement, establishment and account section, vigilance, library, medical, security, COMS, physical education department, and so on. By the end of this, the faculty members should be able to understand the ongoing activities of NSUT and contribute to the overall development of the university in a constructive manner. Rest assured, we would like to inform the faculty members that they can contact us at any given point for any assistance regarding these activities explained to you all in detail during the expert sessions. Continuing with this, rest assured, we would like to inform the faculty members that they can contact us at any given time for any assistance regarding these activities explained to you all in detail during the expert sessions. All experts from various departments will be more than willing to assist you in the best possible manner. Now enough about us. It is time you give us your feedback on the induction program. Therefore, I request Dr. Renu Ghosh to please come on the stage and give her feedback. Dr. Renu Ghosh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor J.P. Saini sir, Professor Prerna Gaur, Director, East Campus, Coordinator of this program, Professor Asha Rani, all the dignitaries of the dais and my dear colleagues. First of all, I would like to thank NSUT for giving me the opportunity to serve it. I feel myself privileged for being a part of this prestigious institution. When I joined this university, I was a bit apprehensive. But after undergoing this induction training program, I feel myself well familiar with the policies and processes of this university. The best part of this induction program was my interaction with the fellow colleagues. Whenever we join any new university or college, we generally don't get the opportunity to interact with our fellow colleagues from the other department. But within a very short span of time, I'm able to know the expertise of my fellow colleagues from the other department. And that has become possible just because of this induction training program. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us the opportunity to join this induction training program. Generally, we are required to go outside for attending these kind of induction training programs because these programs help us in our case. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि हमें घर बैठे बैठे खुद ये चीज़ मिल गई है and that has been this has been made possible just because of the efforts of our visionary Honorable Vice Chancellor and the organizing committee. So on the behalf of the Department of Management Study, I would like to present my gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and the organizers of this induction training program. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you so much, my dear colleagues. I learned so many things during this induction training program from all of you. और मैं आप सबके एक्सपर्टाइज का आगे फ़ायदा भी लूँगी. Whenever I'll face any problem, I will directly contact with you. अब हम सब एक दूसरे को जान पाएँ और समझ पाएँ, वो भी बहुत जल्दी. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Renu ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Vinay Pawarji to please come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay my sincere thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and Director ma'am and Coordinator Asha Rani ma'am and all the deans of the university as well as faculty members and the staff members who have helped a lot in organizing this particular event, which really helped us a lot for understanding the system of the organization. Actually, whenever we enter in a new system, sometimes we feel very uncomfortable because we do not know whatever the facilities, whatever activities that we will be having in the university. So in this short duration of 2 weeks, we really became familiar with many of the activities where we can involve besides our teaching and research activities, which are our primary things that we have to do here being the teachers, being the assistant professors. Besides that, whatever are the activities, academic and administrative activities where we can involve, so those things particularly we got in these 2 weeks, and whatever the facilities that can be available to us, that we become familiar with. So I really pay my sincere thanks to all the authorities and the coordinator team members for organizing these particular sessions for us. So thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I would request Dr. Anuradha Tomar to please share her feedback.
A very good afternoon to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for taking this nice initiative in form of this orientation program. And it was a really well planned, well structured and well executed orientation program for all of us. This would definitely help us to contribute more towards our responsibilities and roles in NSUT family. And I would like to thank Professor Asha Rani ma'am for coordinating this whole event very effectively, and also the various faculty members who has given us insights in the various like timetable activities, student welfare activities, research activities, different policies of the universities. So I'm really thankful for this nice effort by the whole NSUT family, and thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Gitanjali to please come on the stage.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Gitanjali from the CSC department. Firstly, I would like to thank your Honorable Vice Chancellor, Board of members, our senior faculty members, administrative and academic members for giving us the opportunity of being a part of this prestigious university. Secondly, I would like to thank Dr. Asha ma'am and Madhu ma'am for guiding us regularly via mails and messages to complete our initial responsibilities. I would also like to thank Asha ma'am for the coordination of the orientation program to get familiar with the university culture, and for organizing another 2 weeks induction program regarding the teaching and training through which I believe that I would be able to, or we all would be able to enhance our teaching skills by motivating, guiding and encouraging the students to achieve their respective goals. In these 2 weeks of induction programs, we learned about various academic, administrative, examination, sports and other co-curricular activities of NSUT. We also got familiar with the marks distribution process, CUMS related activities, CUMS related activities and other important functionalities which would prove to be very beneficial for all of us in the long run. I would again like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and our senior faculty members for making us familiar with the various incentives related to the research publications. We shall strive very hard in our respective fields and would try our level best to leave us the opportunity of this previous university. With this, I on the behalf of all the newly joined faculties would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the NSUT families for giving us this opportunity to serve this excellent university. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Vinod Kumar to please come on the stage.
Very good afternoon to everyone, and my sincere thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Prerna Gaur, Professor Asha Rani for organizing such a wonderful faculty induction program. And the program is well organized, well managed through various brainstorming sessions that goes through different to get aware to the different academic and administrative activities like DSW office, sports, store and purchase, training and placement, timetable establishment section, account section, vigilance office, security, engineering cells, library, medical and photography, and finally a wonderful yoga session in the today's morning. All the presentations were very informative to us, and all the presenters have tried maximum to deliver maximum knowledge to us in the allotted time schedules. Promotion schemes for researchers, teachers, officers, staff and are very exciting, and I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to have some research discussions in future also, so that it will be helpful in our collaborative research work within the NSUT and to grab more outputs. We will be very grateful to the NSUT also for providing us the opportunity to work here, and we assure that we will work hard for the progress of the institution and for the country. Very thanks to every member present here, and thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now that we've gotten your feedback, I would request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor J.P. Saini ji, to please say a few words. We begin with the faculty members. Dr. Anuradha Tomar, ICE. Please give a huge round of applause. They are colleagues. Dr. Amita Sharma, Mathematics. Dr. Arjun Tyagi. Dr. V.S. K.V. Harish, Electrical Engineering. Dr. Ravinder Singh, Electrical Engineering. Dr. Harsh Yadav, Physics Department. Dr. Ankit Garg, EC Department. Dr. Sukhbir Singh, EC Department. Dr. Renu Ghosh, Management Department. Dr. Shashi Prakash, Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Gitanjali, CSC. Dr. Swati Gangwar. Dr. Rituraj Singh, ECE. Dr. Astha Verma, Management. Dr. Ankit Kumar Singh. Dr. Jehovah Jire. Dr. Nazrul Islam Khan. Dr. Vinod Kumar, Physics. Okay, now we begin with the expert certificate distribution. Professor Vijendra Singh, DSW. Professor Sujata Sanger, Dean Academics. Professor Vijay Gupta. Professor Ritu Sibal. Dr. Tarun Kumar Rawat. Dr. Anand Gupta. Dr. Urvashi Bansal. Dr. Shweta Gautam. Miss Manisha. Dr. Pradeep Khanna. Miss Manisha. Dr. Pankaj Deshwal. Miss Manisha. Mr. Himanshu Singhal. Mr. Prabhat Kumar Chaudhary. Mr. Dheeraj Kaushik. Mr. Manish Kumar, Ms. Madhu Sharma, Dr. Praveen Saroha, Mr. Hawa Singh, Kumari Swati, Professor Asha Rani, and myself.
Today we are concluding our first induction program, and another program I think will start from 19th. So that will be online mode, and NITTR Chandigarh will conduct that program, and I hope you all have been registered here on that side, and remaining expenses shall be borne by the university. So I hope now you all familiar with the university system, because our all section in charges, head of the department, they have discussed about their sections, their working, and most important thing, now you are in position to talk to anybody in the university. Suppose you have some work in the your store section, purchase section, you can freely discuss. That was the basic objective of this induction program, because due to COVID it become very difficult to go everywhere and introduce yourself. I am such and such and joined university, like that. And so at single place we have tried to familiarize you all about the university, different sections, different SOPs, what are the office procedures, what are the office protocols, how to use your COMS, how to get here approval for leaves, different kind of leaves, what is the process of your medical reimbursement, how much amount will be admissible, and how to get here the medical cards, etc. So hope you all have been received your medical cards, and about different reimbursements like your different kind of leaves. I think you all are familiar now. CCL, medical leaves, earn leave, extraordinary leaves, casual leaves. Any question you have in your mind related to your academics, your administration, or your different incentives, any different schemes. If you have something in your mind, you can ask, or otherwise you can also here discuss anytime on phone or through mail. And as far as your details on the website, I think Mr. Himanshu has already been done this job, updated your information on the website, so you can check it, and if any correction is required you can inform him, because COMS is having very important role for university transactions, like different kind of leaves, different reimbursements, and most of your leaves, because you are assistant professor, so that matters will be settled at the level of head of the department itself. So head of the department will assign you the leave, station leaves, or different kind of leaves. And most important thing, whatever in our university system and required in our university, that is important, which is related to your research and dedication. So now you have to give your 100% in your research, academics, and administration, and hope after the next program you will fully prepared here for all to take any of these three, all these three responsibilities, not any one. So definitely university will take your services for the different administrative work like academic works, timetable, placements. There are number of opportunities shall be available for you, because for the next promotion, this will be the important here for you to take here participate in the various administrative activities, because this is also required here for career promotion. So in addition to the research and your academics, you have to involve yourself in the different activities, because some of you have already been assigned the responsibility of admissions, and rest definitely will be used in the next round of JEE JAC admissions for BTech. And next program that will be based on the teaching pedagogy and some research initiatives, how to deal or how to coordinate here with the different agencies. So it will better if you have to write some projects and research proposals, submit to the different funding agencies. And those who are already having their projects in other universities and they are interested here to continue their projects here from NSUT, so they can apply for the transfer to the funding agencies. One of faculty members, I think, have already been given the permission, Dr. Sasi Prakash. So with this, I hope now you all will show your full dedication and sincerity for the development of your university, because NSUT is a brand name in our country, and we are having much hope from you. We all are expecting much hope that this young generation will bring the change in academics and research. Once again, congratulations to all participants here of this program. Thank you. Thank you very much.
One more certificate has to be given, sir, to Dr. Swati Agarwal, CSE. Thank you, sir. Now I would request Professor Asha Rani to deliver the vote of thanks.
Professor J.P. Saini sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Prerna Gaur, Director East Campus, Deans, faculty members and administrative officers, good afternoon. First part of the program is completed and 2 weeks online course on modern methods of teaching learning will commence from Monday onwards. In the past 2 weeks, the association of the new faculty members with each other and with the NSUT system is strengthened, and I am sure that this will help them to work in a more efficient and comfortable manner. I congratulate the participants for completing this course sincerely. I would like to thank Honorable VC Sir for introducing the faculty induction program for our new NSUT members. Sir, under your eminent guidance and support, the team of faculty induction program has successfully completed the task. I thank Director East Campus, Professor Prerna Gaur, Director West Campus, Professor A.P. Mittal, Registrar NSUT, Dr. Sravan Bagaria, Deans and HODs for sparing their valuable time to motivate the new faculty members. A special mention to Professor Vijender Singh, Dean Student Welfare, and Ms. Astha Singh, Deputy Coordinator of the induction program, for the cooperation and contribution, without which it was not possible to complete the program. My sincere gratitude to the resource persons who worked hard to deliver the requisite information to our new members. I would also like to thank the Executive Engineer, Shri Pradeep Deshwal, and the entire engineering department for providing all the required help in organizing the program. I would also like to mention the support of account section for execution of the program.
Last but not the least, I thank all the participants who sincerely followed all the instructions, and despite few difficulties, they successfully completed the course. I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. I would request everybody to please move to the student center for a high tea.